Hello, financial freedom seekers. Welcome back to our channel where we decode the mysteries of money making. The stock market is two-faceted, where both red and green, bear and bull prevail. There are market forces of demand and supply that work in mysterious ways. Many perish in this market, and only a few who learn the ways of the force succeed. The true power of a successful trader is not fighting skills or strategies, but control of mind, unbiased attitude, and connection with the force. You can learn the technical and the fundamentals, but none of it will work if you can't overcome the mental roadblocks that cloud your judgment. The market forces don't treat traders differently. It is traders who learn to succeed by developing the traits needed to thrive in the stock market jungle. Have commitment. Investing is not a 9-to-4 job. The first trait is commitment. When the going gets tough, the tough get going. Humans have survival instincts, but they only work when quitting is not an option. You may try your hands in the stock market, invest in the stock your friend told you, and quit when faced with losses. That is no commitment but a blind date. Investing is not a 9-to-4 job. That is the window where you get to execute your decision to buy or sell a stock or an option. So, treat it like a window. In soccer, you do workouts, tone your body, even before you enter the field. You practice for months and execute all your training in a 90-minute match. You may lose more before you win. But that win will only come when you look at investing beyond the 9-to-3 job. Where will this commitment come from? Own your decision. Whether you buy or sell, it's your choice. The commitment will come when you start owning your stock. Investing is not a job but a business. You own your business and accept its good and bad. Initially, it demands time, may not give you the expected returns. There will be more efforts and fewer returns. But you need to be optimistic and stay focused.